friends, welcome to Navaniva show. I'm Nivedita and today we're making Dalgona cake. So let's begin. First we're going to make the dry ingredients. What we need is for a bowl, I'm going to take here, and a strainer like that. So we got a strainer. First we're going to put the strainer on top of the bowl like that. We're going to add one whole cup. Make sure it's one whole cup of flour. I'm going to add this all. Oh my gosh. Is that all? Yeah, I think that's all. Yep, that's fun, guys. So friends, I finished adding the baking powder. Now we're going to add the baking soda. Only add 1 teaspoon baking powder. So we're going to add the baking soda, as you can see. Taking it slowly. I'm going to open this. Okay. We add half teaspoon, like really half. So friends, I've added the baking soda. It's only half tablespoon. Now we're going to add 1 pinch salt. Only a small, guys. Because I don't want to taste salt in this much. That's all. So, what we need to do is to strain it. We normally used to do 3 times, but I'm doing here 1. This thing is okay. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, done. So friends, we have finished. So friends, we have to mix it very well. Okay, then when you're done, you can keep it aside. Now we're gonna make the wet ingredients. First, we're gonna make the cream. So I want to get the bowl right here. The bowl. We're gonna make the cream, the Dalgona cream. First, we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of butter. Slowly. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's 1 teaspoon when you're done. That's only 1 teaspoon coffee powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. As you can see, I got sugar. When you're done, taking 1 teaspoon some hot water. Yeah, it's like warm water. It's warm water. Not that hot. Yeah, that's okay. I forgot that's 2 tablespoons. But I didn't put it. So friends, I've added the hot water. Keep this aside and whisk it very well. Whisk it, guys. So whisk for some time. You can also use a beater, but I'm using a hand mixer. So friends, as you can see, we have finished the cream. Now we need to get ready of the wet ingredient. So I'm going to add some sugar. It's a half cup sugar. Add it all. Then we're going to mix it. So friends, I've added the sugar. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup oil. Okay, I think I'm done. Now we're going to add half cup milk. Let's add it. Oh god, oh my gosh. Okay, let's mix it. So friends, now we're done with the wet ingredient. Let's put some dry ingredients slowly into the wet ingredient. So I'm going to put it right there. We're only supposed to mix it 1 way. I'm mixing it this way. You can choose any way, but only 1 way. Do not do like this and just begin with another way. You just need to do the same way. Guys, you're thinking just right now that why am I putting eggs in the mixture? What? Because this is without egg. We are making the cake, this Dalgona cake, without egg. That's cool, right? You know, that's cool. We're mixing only one side. Do not mix the when you are mixing one side, do not mix the other side backwards. You only do frontwards. Do not mix it backwards. I think I'm gonna add some more. Okay, I'm gonna put this really close. I don't want it to fall. Okay, and then when you put the flour, you have to make it the correct way we did it last time. Like, you know. And guys. So friends, as you can see, I am mixing it and I've finished mixing it. As you can see. Now what we're gonna add is 1 teaspoon vinegar. Is it vinegar? It's only small we need to add, okay? 1 teaspoon. Okay? I'm gonna add this little cup, spoon. Okay, I think that's a little. I'm gonna put it back a little. I think that's okay. So I'm gonna add some. When you're done. So friends, I've added 1 teaspoon vinegar. Now I'm going to mix it very well, guys. Okay, it's getting a lot gooder. So friends, we add the vinegar and we add all of them now. As you can see, it's finished. Now we're going to add it into a cake tray. As you can see, I'm going to put it right here so I can keep it right there. I got the cake tray right here. Make sure you grease oil all around the cake tray and put butter paper down and grease it with some oil. And we're gonna add it slowly, guys. Be careful. Okay, guys, you can see I'm adding it. Do it, yeah. So friends, I poured the mixture inside the cake tin. Now we're gonna tap it until the air bubbles go. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I think the air bubbles have gone. So first, if you want to do it in the stove top, you have to preheat a pot at least for 10 minutes in medium flame. When you're done, you can put the cake tin inside it, cover it, and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes in low flame. If you're doing the oven, you can preheat the oven. Then after you're done, you can put the cake tin inside the oven for at least 180 degrees Celsius to 35 to 45 minutes. So friends, I'll come back when I do that. So friends, I've put the mixture in the cake tin and I put it in the oven. I use oven, so I kept it in the oven. And we're gonna make the cream for the decoration. So the Dalgona cream, yes, so let's make it. So first we're gonna add 1 tablespoon coffee powder again. Alright, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, that's in. Then what we need is 1 tablespoon sugar. Okay, okay. That's enough. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. This is the last one I'm gonna add. Yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon warm water. Here we go. Then we're done. Now what we need to do is to mix it with a whisk. And you can also use a hand beater. And then you have to mix it very well. So friends, as you can see, I'm gonna mix it very well. I'm gonna mix it a lot. So friends, I've done mixing, as you can see. So it's so beautiful. So now what we're gonna do is to we finished the cake, as you can see. Okay, I cut it in 3 pieces, which we're gonna decorate. So first, I'm gonna remove this thing so I can start decorating. Okay, I think it's gonna keep it somewhere here. I'm gonna keep it right here. I got the spoon and the knife for decoration, and now I'm gonna take the cake. Now I'm gonna take this, as you can see, the cream, put small on it and spread it with a knife. Keep it over. Okay, guys. Okay. First, let me spread it. Let me spread it. If it's not enough, alright guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna spread it more. Okay, Okay guys. And look guys, this is like when I'm looking at the cream and putting in the cake, it's looking delicious. I eat it. Okay, this is really good. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna put some more cream because it's enough. I'm gonna put only a little. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's a lot. So, okay. So guys, I am just putting all the side because you know the side have to be very tasty. I think I am done. So now I'm gonna put the next layer, which is this one. But okay, this is the last layer. This is the second layer. I'm gonna put this. Okay, slowly, slowly. Okay, incoming. All right, so we have put it inside. To put the top, so I'm just gonna keep that. I'm gonna put some cream onto the plate. And that's enough. I'm gonna put some. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm enough. It's enough. And they also, yeah. I think we're done. So now I'm gonna keep the other one. I'm gonna keep this slowly, guys. Slowly, okay? Okay, guys, we are done putting on our. Now we have to do it's cover. Whole, as you can see. So friends, now as you can see, I put the letter. Now let's put in the top. It's too cool, guys. Too cool. Too cool. Oh god, it's coming. Oh my gosh. Did you see that, guys? I'm just gonna put that much there. Yep. I'm going to go to then Mr. Knife. Okay, let's spread this little cream around the cake. A little like a Mr. line. Okay, guys. This is good, right? It's very good. Like now, I think I'm finished with the front. Now I'm gonna do all the sides, like the whole side with some cream. So friends, we are done with our cake. I put it all on the side, as you can see. I put it all side in the front, and now we need special part decorating. I'm putting sprinkles all around. I made a flower with it. So I'm gonna put it all. Okay guys, little. This is so cute, guys, cute. So, and just gonna decorate it with some sprinkles. Yeah, there we go. You can see it. I'm gonna give us a little here, there, here, a little bit. Yes. So guys, look, it's so beautiful when you're just so cute with the flower on the side and just sprinkles on the top. You can make any design at your home. Or you can take chocolate syrups and design it anyhow you want. But I'm putting it, make sure you're putting it too with some Pringles, which is so cute and tasty. And a little more there. And I think that's okay. Alright guys, I think we're done with the cake. As you can see, it's beautiful. So, friends, this is ready, our own Dalgona cake. Shall we just taste it? Yes. I'm calling on taste. Namito. Yes. We're going to taste the Dalgona cake. Let's taste it. Your plate and my plate. And we take the mischief knife. So you're excited? Yeah. Okay. So soft. Yeah, so soft. A little soft. Can you give me a plate? Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Now yours ready. Let me take mine. Okay, I'm gonna cut it softly. Okay, let's put it in my bowl. Okay, guys. We'll take this thing out. Okay, I think I am done.
Okay, I'm on the floor.
Yeah, I think I'm on the floor. You too? Here we go. Okay, guys. Let's taste it. Look at the chocolate cake. Let's taste it, guys. Taste it. Oh, this is the best part. He's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so delicious. So sweet.
Yeah, very nice.
Like infinity, so sweet. Like infinity sweet. Yes. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Get ready to watch my next video. It will be more fun and interesting. Bye friends.